Hello, beautiful souls, and welcome back to our sanctuary. My name is Marie. Today, we're stepping into a practice of somatic self-soothing, a 10-minute meditation to release stress, restore safety, and reset your nervous system. Be kind and meet yourself where you are today. And so, find your supportive position, whether you are sitting, standing up, or lying down. Just let the earth take your weight for a moment. Let's take that first grounding breath together. Inhale through the nose, and as you exhale, imagine you are breathing down into your body, all the way to your toes. Let's keep our eyes open for the moment and take another long inhale. And as we exhale, we're breathing, passing through our neck, our throat, through our shoulders, chest, rib cage, heart space, our hips. Feel how your breath is reaching every part of you, letting every part of you flow with gentle and safe breath. We reach our arms, our hands, our legs, and our feet. Again, let's breathe in and exhale all the way down to your toes. Feel how you are starting to go inward and connecting to your body, moving away from your mind. Bring your breath back to its normal rhythm and lower your gaze or close your eyes, relaxing the muscles around your eyes. Inhale, a long exhalation, letting your body receive each breath. Notice the points of contact between you and the surface beneath you, the heavy safety of gravity. The world begins to wash away around you, and we are calmer. Place your hands, one on your heart and the other on your belly. Feel the warmth of your palms. This is your container. You are held in from the inside. Notice the temperature of your skin. Is it cool? Is it warm? Just observe. Now scan for the niggles, the tightness, the weight on the shoulders or the flutter in the stomach. If this sensation had a texture, what would it be? Rough? Smooth? If it had a colour, what would you call it? If you gave it a name, what would it be? As you name this sensation, notice if you can place it outside of yourself for a moment. Instead of I'm anxious, I'm frustrated, try anxiety is visiting me, frustration is passing by. As we give this a name and a bit of space, we're showing our nervous system that it can have a seat at the table. Breathe into that space. Inhale and exhale. We are not pushing it away, we are sending it love. When something feels seen, truly seen, and is felt safely, it begins to soften by itself. You have the room to hold it without becoming it. You are safe, you are seen, you are loved. Now let's invite in a tiny bit of movement into our container. You still have your hands on your chest and belly, and very slowly begin to sway your upper body from side to side. Imagine you're a tree in a gentle breeze. This swaying is an ancient somatic signal to your brain that you're safe. And as you continue this gentle swaying, notice those feelings you named earlier. We're swaying, we're giving them room to breathe. Feel how your spine moves, how your weight shifts from one hip to the other. You are the safety that you have been seeking. Inhale, feeling your belly rise. Exhale. Repeat with me. I am safe. I am seen. I am loved. Now gently release your hands from your body and bring your fingertips up to your forehead. We're going to use a technique called raindrop tapping. Begin to tap very lightly, as if raindrops were falling on your skin, on your forehead, in the center. Move from the center of your forehead out towards your temples. Continue fluttering, tapping. As you feel this sensation, imagine these raindrops are washing away any mental fog, anything that you do not need today. This fluttering, this tapping is reminding your mind that it can take a break. You're moving from your thoughts down into your fingertips. Now bring those raindrops to the top of your head, your crown, and tap lightly here. Notice the tingling sensation. Your nervous system is definitely much calmer in the present moment. Take a deep breath in and exhale. As you exhale, move the raindrops down to your jawline. We hold so much unspoken stress here too. Let this fluttering, this tapping, let it soften the muscles of your face. Slowly let the rain stop, but keep your fingers on your skin. We're now going to smooth it out. Take your palms and gently stroke from the center of your face over your cheeks and down towards your neck. Imagine you are smoothing out a piece of silk. You are physically wiping away anything that is no longer needed. Now slowly bring your hands to rest. Perhaps place them palms up on your lap. Notice the tingling on your skin, a warm sensation. This is your anchor. Whenever the world feels too loud or thoughts start to spiral, remember this feeling in your fingertips. And so whenever you're ready, open your eyes. Feel the safety within you, around you, and leave me some raindrops in the comments so that I know that you took this journey with me through this somatic healing and tapping. Let's hold space for each other in the comments. Thank you so much, beautiful souls, for taking this time, and I will see you in the next one. Namaste.